What you do matters. You work every day to make a real difference in your operation, and John Crane is there to help. Not just today, but tomorrow and in the future too. More than 100 years of leading experience has taught us that those tomorrows start today. John Crane is revolutionizing sensor technology, failure mode analysis, and a digital platform that offers 24/7 real-time remote monitoring of your plant's assets. The Sense platform means you can digitally assess the health of those assets and understand how to optimize the reliability and performance of your equipment throughout the plant. When it comes to compressors, we provide industry-first seal health insight with sensors embedded into the dry gas seal so you can have confidence in understanding remaining useful life, optimizing your maintenance schedules while significantly reducing maintenance and extending your time before repair. And as production demand increases, you will have confidence in your equipment reliability and efficiency of supply. John Crane Sense is your digital eyes and ears, protecting your operation as you try to produce more with less. Analytics will give you the insight you need to keep your pumps pumping, compressors compressing, and the rest of your equipment up and running. In turn, you will be in the position to take timely corrective actions and avoid premature failures or leakage, while helping to protect the environment by reducing chemical contaminants or methane and other greenhouse gas emissions. This actionable intelligence is what you'll need to reach tomorrow's targets while protecting your brand's reputation and the environment. The future will see even more digitization of equipment, processes, and plants, and the John Crane Sense platform will play a significant role, helping to digitize the entire process industry, creating a sustainable path into the future. John Crane Sense. Protect what matters.